Hi everyone, it is Howard Eskew. Welcome to San Diego Mesa College and welcome to the Retail Management Certificate Program. Hey, I wanted to make this short video for you, so we'll just walk you through the steps on how to order your textbook. So for this summer, you're going to be taking CBTE 180, which is Microsoft Office. You're also going to be taking Business or BUSE 119, which is Business Communications with me. So both of your instructors, myself and Dr. Salabit, have worked together so that we are going to have you order just one item out of my class, which will give you an access code that you can use in both courses in order to get your electronic textbook or your ebook and all of your supplemental items that you're going to need for both courses. So you'll have to buy one item, but you can use the code for both classes. So it's really important once you get that code, and it will be emailed to you from the bookstore, that you hang on to that code because you're going to need to enter it twice, once for my class and once for Microsoft Office. The access code is actually good for 120 days. So if you have any instructors in the fall semester that would use Cengage, you could also use that code again, I believe. Okay, so let's get you to get the order for the textbook. So you will come to Student Services, come down to Bookstore, and this is the main page for the bookstore. It says I'm not logged in. I'm not going to log in because because I'm a professor. There's a different pathway. But what you'll do is you'll click log in and you will create your account. So you'll create a login, a password. You'll give your name, your address, your email, and I think there might be a couple other contact information. But anyway, you're going to set up your general account. So you would click log in and get that done first. Then what's going to happen is the screen will come back. You want to come to generate your book list. So you're going to, first of all, select your courses. So we're going to first select the campus and the term. The campus and the term is Mesa, Summer 21. Then we're going to select the department. Again, since you only need to buy one item for both classes, we're going to have you go through the business department. So click on select department, come down to BUSE business, click on that. Then you're going to select the course. The course is 119, and that's business communications. And then you're going to select the section because we have multiple faculty teaching multiple sections of the class. So if you see on the email, I gave you a CRN number, which is a course record number. So that's what you're going to look for when you select your selection. So here, your CRN for the 119 is 60381, and it is web-based, and it is with me. So you'll click that one. So just kind of double check real quick. Mesa Summer Business 119 60381 SQ. Got it. Click Add. Now, if this was another semester and you might need to add additional books for courses, all you'd have to do is click here, and here we go. Let's just do it. CBTE 180. And if you would click add here, it would add whatever textbook is for that course list. Okay? We're not going to do it here because we only need this one. And if you add the wrong section, all you have to do is click remove. So it's easy to manage this. So now that we're ready, we're going to click get book list. Next thing it's going to pop up is a textbook agreement. You'll want to read this. This is an agreement between you and the bookstore. Primarily, what it's going to be telling you is you're not going to need to worry about the shipping because you're going to get an email from the bookstore. So once the payment is taken care of, I think it's 1 or 2 days, and you're going to get an email from Mesa Bookstore, and it's going to give you all the information and the access code that you need for both classes. Okay. There's also a return policy that you want to pay attention to. But down here at the bottom, you need to click this box, and this box says that you have acknowledged that the agreement is here, you have read the agreement, and you agree to all of the policies. Once you do that, boom, here are the textbooks. Now, what this page does is I give my students several different options because not all of them are taking classes where the instructor, more than one instructor, is using Cengage. So I try to give them, you guys, as many options as possible. So in this case, what happens is you guys will choose this one because you've got two classes sharing Cengage, and so it makes all the sense in the world. Plus, if you would go over to your 180 class, the only option there is this $119.99. So that's why we only have you go to one class. You only need to buy it once. But in the future, if you don't have everybody using Cengage, what will happen is you probably get two options. You'll get one where you can actually get a copy of the textbook and an access card. So that's this case is because some students want textbooks. So to get the textbook and the access code that you need just for this class, it's $80. Or you can just buy the access code that'll give you the ebook and the access for $31.95. Unfortunately, that's not your best choice this time because you're going to be required for the CBT 180 to buy the 119 anyway. So we're having you just buy the 119.99 once. So what you'll do here is change the 0 to 1, and you'll notice that you have a total purchase of $119.99. I believe because this is electronically transferred to you, and it's a code, that there is no tax or shipping involved. So I think the cost is just $119.99. Okay? So once you have that, hit purchase. Come out here. There's everything you need. Again, this is going to come to you email. And what you would do is click check out. And there is, so I guess you don't have to log in immediately. You can wait and create your account here at the end and do it here. Just click create account. I'm going to go in there and see what happens. So here's all the information. When you create the account, here's the information you're going to put in there. The shipping method, I think, is going to automatically populate for you because you're only going to get it via email. Then you'll click the payment information, and then you'll put your payment information in there, and then you'll hit send or purchase, and you will be finished. So hopefully this helps you. Again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me, and we'll make sure that we get those questions and concerns answered. So I hope this helped. Take good care. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.